Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to do a get ready with me so that I can talk to you guys about, well, I want to show you a product that I got. Remember that I got that milk frother before Christmas? I think it was before Christmas. Well, that company, because they sent me, they only had 2 different kinds and they let me pick which kind I wanted. And they liked that video, so they decided to send me the other one so I could compare the two. I love the new one even more. And I want to show it to you, and that way you guys can go check it out if you want to, because I really didn't think I would care at all about milk frothing, you know? I mean, I have that one little thing that I never use, but now I never have my coffee without it. It's so simple. You just pour the creamer in and turn it on, and then by the time your cup of coffee's ready, you pour it in there, and it's so good, so good. Anyways, enough about that. Let's get started. I'm gonna be testing out this Fenty Beauty one again without doing the TikTok method underneath it, because I still haven't done that yet. And if I don't like it now, I will take it back. But I got it on sale, so it really was, I think I paid $18 is all for it. So, you know, if I can make it work, then I'll keep it. But if not, $18 is $18. I can put it towards one that I do like. So let's put on some primer. Anyway, about my diet, it's kind of over, but not really. I'm still juicing. I'm still drinking juice every day. I don't drink exclusively juice though. I'll drink my juice. I usually will drink at least 2 juices a day. And then I'll eat. I eat avocado toast. That's my thing right now. It's so good. I buy gluten-free bread, and it's the 7 grain. I just get it at Walmart. It's in the freezer section. Yeah, in the freezers. And it's really good. You only get a piece about that big though. And so I have 2 pieces of avocado toast, which I just toast that bread, and then I just put avocado on top and salt and pepper. And that's it. It's so good. And that seems to be working for me. But I think I've already posted all the juices, because basically you do 2 weeks worth of juices and then you do 2 weeks again. That's the 28-day plan. So I think you guys have all the juices. And I decided, since I'm not doing very well, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. I'm just going to keep working on it, figure out what works for me, what I can do, what kind of exercises, and then once I get going and it works, I'll tell you about it. I'll tell you what worked and what didn't work, because it seems like, or it seemed like, that's why I didn't put a video up last week, because I thought, I can't keep doing this. I'm so negative, and I don't want to be negative. And I was just dreading putting up the videos because I didn't do a very good job. So I thought, you know what? I can't keep doing this, or I'm just not going to put videos up. So we're going to go back to doing makeup and maybe a few hauls and stuff like that. And then once I lose the weight, I will make a video on how I lost it, with all the things I did and that worked, and the things I did that didn't work. And most of the things I'm doing that don't work, it's because of me. I can't handle it. I can't drink just juice. And I can't, like when I did carnivore, I thought, oh, I can do carnivore, that'll be easy. I can't do it. I like vegetables. I like meat, but meat doesn't seem to like me. So I think I'm gonna try not eating meat. I'm not going to say I'm a vegetarian, because I'm not going to pay that much attention, but I'm not going to eat meat, and I'm going to try and stay away from dairy too, because they do a lot of bad things to the, well, you guys know already. Anyways, I'm going to try and stick to, you know, fresh vegetables and fruits and juice, and then my gluten-free bread, and I bought a gluten-free veggie pizza. That's probably what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. Not good for you, not really healthy, but if I'm able to keep doing that, that's what I want to do. Anyways, I'm not getting any makeup put on, am I? And this is probably way more than you even wanted to know. So we're gonna put on the Fenty again. I've been having a lot of sinus issues. I know that the last time I did my last video, ooh, this is pretty light. Did I put stuff in it last time? I think I did, huh? Well, we'll see how it works. Because I already put it on. I forgot. I'm just gonna use this, I guess. It's very yellow, huh? I really want to do a super kind of natural look anyways. So a thin coat, the color might be okay. It seems like it, doesn't it? Seem like it's gonna be blend okay with my neck? I think so. Oh. So yeah, that's why I keep getting stuffy, is because it's super cold. But I think we're over the cold spell pretty much, because last night, but the night before, it was 3 degrees, but last night it only got down to like 18, and I think it's gonna go up a little bit more and then kind of just level off there, so it shouldn't be too bad. I think this looks nice. Of course, I'm not looking close up. I remember when I put it on last time, it was like really drying. It looks better than it did last time, but it's very thin. I need to add some here to some of these spots that didn't get any. Well, it does look better, but not great. I mean, I still have a lot more that look better. I think I need some more. It seems like I don't have any down here. Yeah, I still am not really thrilled with this, so I probably will be taking it back. Okay, so let's put on some concealer. I'm going to use the Makiage concealer in the darker of the 2 shades, because like I said, I'm going for a kind of a natural look. I just want to get rid of that purpleness. I seem to be getting super wrinkly right here. I don't know if it's because my Botox is all worn off, but look, if I just go like this, just the slightest bit, they're gone. I need that done. I think they can do that with Botox. I'm going to California sometime, probably in March. That may be on the agenda. Okay, let's do our powder. We're gonna use our IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I'm gonna start with under the eye. Oh yeah, this is not a tutorial, this is a get ready with me, so I don't have to explain, huh? I love this powder, it is so awesome. Especially in these wrinkles. I definitely need more between my eyes too. Botox, that is. Yeah, from far away, this looks pretty good. But up close, well, right now it looks pretty good. Once I put the powder on, I was going to say up close it looks dry, but it doesn't look nearly as dry as it did when I did the TikTok method. So maybe that's the key. Don't do that in the wintertime. So now I want to use this Tarte Pro Glow. That's what we're going to use. So I'm going to start off doing my contouring with this e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to use this one down here to do that with. And I don't want to do too much, Just a quick shaping of the nose. Then I turn the brush over and I do this, and I pull this down a little bit. And then I do this to give us some lips. And I just blend it. Not sure if I have enough in the cheeks, but we're gonna go with it. So then, I think I'm gonna try and do my brows with that too. I mean, what the heck, we'll just use this palette for everything. Or we'll try. And another e.l.f. brush. No, I can't really see that. Yeah, it's not really my color, but you know, it's good enough. This really doesn't match my brows. I really should switch. I'm gonna try this. This is a cream one and see how orange it is. It's definitely darker. Looks pretty good, huh? I'm using this right here, the cream contour. Still very orange, but I think we can make it work, and that way we're still using just this one palette. It's still really orange, but it's too late now. I've already done it. Okay, moving on. Let's put some of this this color. We're gonna put this color right here. Oh, these have names, don't they? This is called Fire, I think. Yes. We're gonna put some fire on the lid. And this is a highlight, I believe. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be darker. Oh well. It's got a little sparkle to it, but it's definitely not very dark. But it's darker than my lid. And that's what we're going for. So is it cold everywhere? I know I've watched my girls in Texas and they said it's cold there. I'm gonna go back in with a fluffy brush into this color right here and put a little of this in my crease. Just like that, not much. And now I'm gonna go into this lightest color right here. It's called Strobe. And I'm just gonna put it on my finger and put a little bit in the center. And call it done. And now, oh, I didn't put anything else on my face. I forgot to put a highlight on my face. I'll just take this Strobe and highlight with it. Just like that. And then grab this and blend it in like that a little bit. And we pretty much did everything with that palette. I'm just going to add a little bit of liner and some lipstick and we're done. All right, let's put some lipstick on. I think we're just gonna put a quick Oh, you know what I'm gonna put on? I'm just gonna put this because we're going natural, remember? I am going to put my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask on because it is just the perfect amount of glow. I love this stuff. I know it's supposed to be clear, but it's just perfect. And that is it. That's all we're gonna do today. Nothing underneath the eyes. I need to change these lashes. Today's Saturday, so it's been a week today. I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow though, although they could use changing. I can make them go 2 weeks, but they're so inexpensive. Why? You know, it's just like they start to mess up from sleeping on them and stuff, even though I do have my Sleep and Glow pillow. That sucker, that and my new milk frother are my 2 favorite PR things that I've ever gotten. Because that pillow, I don't know how anybody with lash extensions can keep them on without one of those pillows. It is so awesome. If you have lash extensions, you need a Sleep and Glow pillow. I know I've seen like a competitor one on Instagram, or I did, but I don't know if it's any good. I know this one is the bomb. So anyways, that's it. I'm done talking. That's our get ready with me, and that's it for my diet stuff. I am gonna put a clip in here of the milk frother so that you guys can see it, because I truly do I love them both. But I think I like the new one better. Only because it's just, they work exactly the same. Except it's just a little bit easier to clean. Because I just rinse it out, put it back on there. The other one had like little parts that this one doesn't. Which if I'm going to make hot chocolate or other stuff, those parts will be good. But for just the milk frothing, I love this one. So I will add that clip right here. And other than that, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay cool.